Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We have come to Sahel Al Akhtar showroom, and they sell used American cars which are accident. We are reviewing this Ford Mustang. This is 2015 model, and the car seems to be, in a very good state. There is accident is less. I'm showing you from a side version also the car from the back. It's the accident is only from the front, very minor accident is there. You can see the steel alloy of the wheels. So we are looking the car from the inside also. The dashboard, if you see, it's like clean. There is an accident, the balloon is out, but if you see the system, speed of the car 260 kilometers per hour.